Welcome to this video. Today we will explain what social bookmarking is and how it works and how it helps in SEO. Social bookmarking is the process of saving and sharing web pages on online platforms so others can discover and visit them. You can create a post with a link to your content, then you can publish it on social bookmarking sites where others can like, share or comment. There are many websites where you can do social bookmarking. Choose one that matches your niche and audience. Social bookmarking improves SEO by building backlinks, increasing referral traffic, and helping search engines discover your pages. Use the right keywords, write a strong title and description. Always bookmark high quality, useful content. Avoid over posting low quality backlinks or using only promotional content. This can harm your SEO and get your account flagged. Use tools like Google Analytics to see traffic from bookmarking sites. Check how many visitors and backlinks you are getting. Let us look at the pros and cons of social bookmarking so you can use it wisely. Pros: easy and quick to use, drive targeted traffic, boost content visibility. Whereas cons are: links may be no follow, not all platforms are SEO friendly, risk of spam if misused. Social bookmarking is a helpful SEO technique. When done right, it can bring traffic links and brand exposure. Thank you for watching. If you want to master off-page SEO, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.